This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. To determine whether you should make your claim as a single claimant or as a couple, you will be asked if you have a partner and if you live together. If you do not have a partner, choose No, I'm single, and continue with the rest of your application. If you do have a partner and you live together, you will need to link your details with your partner's details. For this, you will need to use a linking code. If your partner has already made a claim and declared a partner, you will need to use the linking code provided to them. Otherwise, you can receive a linking code that your partner will then need to use when they make their claim. Take a note of this code, as you will need it later in the claim process. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.